From scan to area report, ANSI standards made simple. How Shindler Solutions, a real estate media company in North Carolina, partnered with Mediatask to turn mobile scans into precise NCREC compliant floor plans and reports ready for appraisals and transactions. The bigger picture. In North Carolina, advertised living area is strictly regulated. Reported figures must comply with NCREC guidelines or the ANSI Z765 standard. Traditionally, this level of precision requires a measurement specialist, a cost many photographers and realtors try to avoid. While popular mobile scanning apps like 𝐫𝐞𝐜𝐸 or Polycam offer convenience, their error margins, often around 10% or higher, make their data an unreliable basis for calculating square footage, putting brokers at risk of angry clients or legal issues. According to the Yellow Book, square footage must be surveyed with proper diligence. Errors larger than 5% should be a cause for concern. User reviews of popular apps paint a cautionary tale, confirming 10% deviations, creating direct liability and risk for brokers. Meet our client. Shindler Solutions, based in Asheville, North Carolina, is a full-service real estate media company founded by licensed broker Max Shindler. They provide high-quality photography, videography, aerial drone shots, 3D tours, and precise home measurements. Their floor plans follow NCREC and ANSI standards to ensure accuracy and compliance. The company employs a team of 3 photographers, and all services are fully insured with $1 million worth of coverage, serving residential, commercial, and vacation properties across North Carolina. Challenge. Shindler Solutions, a leading real estate media provider, built its reputation on precision and trusted quality. They quickly noticed that most popular scanning apps in the U.S. worked well for convenience, but not for accuracy. The illustrative graphics from 𝐫𝐞𝐜𝐸 were visually appealing for marketing purposes, but they didn't deliver the precision needed for reliable property reports. That gap revealed a clear opportunity to offer accurate, scalable reports that agents and buyers could truly rely on. The old way. Max Shindler built a detailed workflow to ensure highly accurate square footage for his agency. He adopted a mobile app, but because its data required rigorous manual cross-checking, the overall process became slow and cumbersome, demanding extra effort rather than reducing it. Duplicated on-site work. They scanned each property with 𝐫𝐞𝐜𝐸 app and still remeasured everything with a laser meter, sketching floor plans on a pad to be safe. Back office overload. Back at the desk, they re-entered all numbers into outdated software, Total Sketch, ran manual Excel calculations, and manually merged floor plans, measurement data, and total HLA numbers into one report. This workflow trapped the founder in the process. Photographers weren't skilled drafters, training was too demanding, and barriers in delegating the work stalled growth. Our solution. Shindler Solutions needed faster, more accurate property measurements and reports without duplicated work. We introduced the team to best practices in 3D scanning and set up a process where their photographers captured measurements on site with the Dot3D app and a laser distance meter, while our engineers handled the drafting, area calculations, and classifications. From Max Shindler. I just delivered the first one to my clients, so I am excited for this new report to start getting out there. Lots of agents see my work on the MLS, and that is how I have grown my business. So I'm excited to have more people start to see this new and improved version. A better scanning tool. Better results start with a better scanner. As a drafting company, we've seen the output of most apps on the market. Only Dot3D delivers ANSI-level accuracy, comparable to the professional gear like the 𝐫𝐞𝐬. That makes Dot3D the only tool we recommend. The Dot3D app enables entering data from additional sources, like a laser distance meter, giving users the best of both worlds. The speed and convenience of mobile LiDAR scanning combined with the pinpoint accuracy of manual measurements. Just 2 reference dimensions per floor are enough to scale correct the entire point cloud. April tags help to align key points in both the real world and the digital model, ensuring reference distances are correctly applied. They also support loop closure algorithms, fixing drift and closing scanning loops that normally misalign during mobile scans. Accurate deliverables. The result? Accurate, reliable floor plans in a fraction of the time. From a single site visit, this produced both marketing-ready floor plans and MLS-compliant reports. With this simple process, Shindler Solutions can scale and provide accurate, standardized measurements on every project. The extra mile. The Mediatask team designed a custom report template for Shindler Solutions tailored to their specific document structure and fully aligned with their branding. How we delivered the solution. Mediatask's team worked as a hands-on partner, proactively adapting our process to Shindler Solutions' needs at every step. Needs analysis. We conducted an in-depth analysis of the client's workflow, identifying key challenges and objectives. Based on our proven Dutch workflow, we created a solution perfectly tailored to their specific requirements and North Carolina regulations. Knowledge base. We mastered the ANSI-level standards, verified technical details with the Shindler Solutions team, and built an internal knowledge base for our drafters to ensure every scan met compliance requirements from day one. Pilot testing. Before full implementation, Shindler Solutions tested the scanning process, the quality of our deliverables, and the effectiveness of our collaboration on real-world projects. Hands-on training. We prepared comprehensive training materials, provided ongoing support, and trained the client's team so they could independently onboard new employees. Today, they perform scans confidently and with full precision. Accuracy optimization. We delivered April tag markers, physical targets recognized by the Dot3D app, enabling seamless integration of measurements from external tools such as laser meters with iPad data, significantly improving accuracy. Customized reports. We designed their property reports to align with their new website. We modernized the layout and created a clear, practical logic for the data presentation, understandable at first glance. Results. The new workflow cut measuring time and eliminated duplicate work, giving Shindler Solutions confidence that every report was ANSI-level compliant and reliable. The client appreciated that work was guided by senior engineers who took a proactive approach, helping them catch mistakes before they became expensive. In the first year of the cooperation alone, we have delivered over 1,000 projects, helping the client set a higher standard in their market and position themselves to expand confidently into new services. Over 1,000 projects delivered in the first year, 50% reduction in measurement time, 3 photographers proficient in mobile 3D scanning. Max Schindler says, "I am very happy to have found you all. While your services cost a bit more upfront, they've saved us time on site, greatly improved our accuracy, and significantly reduced the errors and issues we used to have with measurements. It's freed up a lot of my time and mental energy, so it is going well." The team behind the results. Mediatask is an engineering company specializing in floor plans, area reports, and as-built documentation. Starting in the Netherlands, helping clients move past disto and paper, we've grown into a leading drafter partner in the market. Today, with 14 years of experience, we're sharing that expertise with real estate professionals in the United States, giving them measurement reports they can trust so they can spend more time behind the camera doing what they love. Established in 2011, Mediatask has 60 drafting engineers and has completed over 350,000 property area reports delivered worldwide. Ready to get accurate ANSI-compliant reports? Let's talk about your next project. Huge thanks to both Mediatask and Shindler Solutions for sharing this incredibly detailed and helpful case study on their work together. We really appreciate the highlight of Dot3D as an integral part of this workflow, especially in terms of delivering on tight accuracy constraints such as those in North Carolina. For more information on Dot3D, please visit www.dot3d.app. For more information on Mediatask, please visit www.mediatask.co.